Ramakrishna Mutt, Koilandi is the first center in Malabar region in Kerala established by Swami Nirmalanandaji Maharaj, who was at the helm of spreading Ramakrishna movement in the nook and corners of Kerala. The center, established in the year 1915, is located in Melur village in Calicut district. A personality development camp for the junior students of the neighboring villages and towns in Koilandi was organized by Ramakrishna Mission, Koilandi, from 7th to 11th April 2013. The camp, as a part of activities, focused on 4 significant aspects of one personality. They were self-confidence, coordinated leadership qualities, etc. The camp put forth different sort of strategies to cater to the needs of the secondary school children. The life of Sri Sharda Devi Ma, her interpersonal skills, a novel method of transferring life-giving messages added a new spirit to the camp. Around 60 students participated in the program.
Prashabilo Dibora Bala Sannyasi Tara Ujjal Pashilo Dara Par Tara Ujjal Pashilo Dara Par Nirmal Gagan Vikashi Ratna Garba Nari Ratna Prasavilo Ratna Garba Nari Ratna Prasavilo Vibhora Bala Sannyasi Ravi Kar Karshita Jatika Ghana Ravi Kar Karshita Jatika Ghana Avare Dina Kar Kanti Ravi Kar Karshita Jatika Ghana Avare Dina Kar Kanti Maya Kaya Prakatana Maya